Hi, should be live now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Helix stream. I'm Fren. Um, oh, need to, sorry, need to change something. Hold on. Mm, just me, this is worth it. Just 1 second. Um, let's do window capture, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that works. Okay. Oh, wait a second. And there we go. Cool. Yeah, welcome back to the dev stream. I'm Fran, and guess what? Mine Within is out. Um, So yeah, Mine Within has officially been released onto Steam. I'll bring it up in a second. Cool, just making sure simply my display isn't showing. Sorry. Um, Give it pause. Cool. Change this. Yeah, so in case you don't see it, oh, it's right there. Mine Within, out now on Steam. Haha. It's right here. Store page. It is less than £5. So, hey, should be good, right? Send it back to here. Cool. All right. So today, I'm not going to be doing much. There have been a couple changes that need to be made, and I think I can hammer down one or two of them here on the stream with you guys. Okay. Cool. So for this first one, let's head into reality level 5 very briefly. Mm, I need to find it. There it is. Currently, for this one, currently the heart image is not collectible, so I need to find it. There it is. So making it bigger. Being this should release the contained item. That's correct. Should be correct. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on this month. Hmm, It can be collected. Oh, there we go. It just goes away. Oh, I'm pretty sure that is something that we fixed actually, because before, the red text would not appear again if the monster saw you again. So yeah, cool. So that's an update that we got through. Also the menu screen's pretty much all me as well. Cool. So I made sure that is working. C4. These notes are from, I'd say, a week, or no, more than a week. Yeah, a few weeks back. So I'm assuming a lot of these have been changed by now. So now we're in level 4. Um, in one of the closets. Oh, okay. In one of the closets, the player would simply flip through the other side. We need to make sure that doesn't happen anymore. Assume it was that one, but yeah. Wooden boxes will break. As far as I'm aware, we don't really have uh breakable wooden boxes in this area because we don't have the shovel yet. Oh no, I'm wrong. That was real. That was fantasy 4. Yeah, no, of course. Breakable boxes are in this level. So that should be something that works. Vases can still break. No change screen. Can go through the door. They'll still break. So that works just fine. Vases can still be broken. That is a older feature that that we had implemented for this level. Before it was initially meant to be vases that got broken. Um, and then they would break and reveal the item. But then I realized, oh, it's too ambiguous. Can't really see them, and also the breaking effect wasn't exactly what I wanted. So I had it changed. So now it is wooden boxes, and they break into a bunch of little pieces when broken. Oh, oh, okay. That's an issue. So that one has the wrong type of collider on it, fortunately. It's drawing. That explains that should be a trigger and not just a regular collider. I'm a fan of how I got this dirt pile to work. It's a simple animation where the dirt, well, no, it's not even an animation, it's just the dirt pile simply moving down through a function and over time disappears and has the effects playing throughout the process. Cool. And that can be collected just fine. Oh, that table doesn't have a collider. There are a bunch of random things in our game that don't have colliders. It's a little inconsistent, but that's why we go back and fix it. For what you guys are paying for, you need to make sure is of at least decent quality. Cool. Um, I'm hoping for like a different type of collectible, but one thing I do want to add, before complete development on this game is finished, because even though the game is out, you guys can buy it now. Um, I wouldn't say it has everything we want at the moment. For example, um, I'm not going to spoil anything, but at the moment, the drawings you collect throughout the game, um, don't do anything yet. Uh, I had the idea of adding these collectibles a while back, and since then we've been putting them in every level, but we haven't implemented the thing we want to yet, which is towards the end of the game or after you finish the game. There's an option to view all the drawings from the main menu, like some sort of interactable scrapbook. Um, and yeah, I still need to figure a way to do that, but you know, things have been busy. So yeah, so that's one thing fixed. Apparently in Fantasy 3, a outline can be seen through the walls. It says there's no enemies, but I think that's been fixed as well. Yeah, that's just the mind's eye vision. As far as I'm aware, there are no outlines through walls anymore, so that's good. just simply what the player needs to see. Oh, and also I'm fairly happy with this pickup mechanic I created. It doesn't follow the player's view because I want to limit kind of where the player can place objects. It is fairly smooth. I'm developing a separate project on my own. Um, and yeah, this is not nearly as it's not nearly as smooth as it is here. So pretty sure it's the Cine machine that our lead developer had implemented to the project, but I may want to borrow that for legal disclosure purposes. I'm not actually going to steal the code. Of course not. Even though it's just Cine machine. Still wish to implement into my own though. Pretty sure we have a few invisible walls at least. That'll be appropriate. Oh, wow. I do believe actually there's something here I should change. To duplicate this and put it over here. So now this box can also be picked up. Cool, right? Not all of them can. Only some, only the small ones. I won't see if there's any more placed around. So the point of these is that the player has to bring them over here to grab the key, right? Yeah, seems good. Cool, it's checking little thing. There's something at the very first level that we should check out real quick. Oh, what is that? Hmm, interesting. So yeah, I think this can potentially go down. There's no enemies here, so turn it on to that. There we go. Cool. This as well. Oh, maybe not that one. Oh, tanking here. Clean. Should I choose this as well? So it looks good. Okay, that looks decent. Okay. Looks good here. Cool. So it's needed for now, at least. Here's a little asset goof in level 3. I think we can quickly fix as well. Yeah. Yes, that needs to be a trigger. It's my mistake. Okay. Yeah, super sure what that means. We can leave that for now, I guess. Um, this is only outline visible, so should be good, I think. It can't be seen through the walls. Awesome. It can now be collected. There we go. Hmm. Anything level 6 that needs to be changed? Cool, not at the moment, I think. Where am I? There I am. Boom. Soul, Doctrine reference. Originally, I wanted to add some kind of Deltarune reference to this game, but at some point, I'd decide against it. I want a thing to stand on its own, I think. Though I do like the couch up on the tree there. Very much appreciate that. Yeah, I'm very happy with this box mechanic I actually have. It has a simple check to see if it contains an item, and if it's checked, then it sees to know if there's an item in there. So that if there's just breakable boxes I want throughout the level without anything necessarily in them, I can have them, and then I don't need to add some random item, right? Because otherwise, it's weird with Unity. If there's something unlinked within the inspector, then it causes issues and it creates like an error. The red ones that appear in the console and it doesn't let you start the game, at least through the editor. So I'm happy I was able to find a way around that with the box I have. 'Cause if I go to the prefabs, um, did I make it its own thing? Must have. Be breakable box. There it is. My cute little prefab. And you see, I don't have anything there. None. No game object. Or maybe not. Oh, I see. It does need one reference to be linked, though. Uh, I should do that in script though, so I don't need to attach that every single time. But otherwise, the contained item does not need to be attached there. I'll just leave this box. Why not? Something to do. Cool. Right. Let's see if there's any other last second changes I can make, 'cause otherwise I think can end things off here. You know what? She requested it. Let's take out the vases from level 4. Fantasy 4, I mean, same difference. Oh, no, that's real. Cool. Cool. So these vases can be taken away then. Don't necessarily need to be breakable anymore. At the end of the day, not a waste of time, but still. Shame that these vases won't be put to use, but I'd rather have the boxes at this point, to be honest. If there's any more. Yeah, none of these are mine. Cool. Just those two, I guess. Um, okay, I think that's gonna be a decent place to leave off. Thank you guys for tuning into the stream, the Mind Within stream. Yeah, making sure you could have seen all this. Um, Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna have this open one last time. Um, yeah, be sure to get Mind Within. It's on Steam now. If anything, I should get it, but it's my game. Yeah. So be sure to get it. Um, yeah, support us best you can. Best thing you can do at all is buying Mind Within and give it a play, give it a nice review. And tell us what we can improve on, because at the end of the day, that is the best we can do, right? So with that, I think I'm gonna leave it off here. Thank you once again for tuning into the stream. I'm Francisco, and thanks for watching Helix Interactive Dev Stream. See you guys.